It's going really good. So kind of the process of how we do this is come in, the contractors poured the concrete and the asphalt. We've got a great big machine down here that we brought from America that flattens it, and it makes it within 2 meters over 6 meters. Very, very flat, like a pool table. And then we have these grinders here that finish the surface so it's completely raceable. We had a little irregularity in the asphalt down here, and so they're digging that out, and we're replacing a 6-meter strip in there with concrete just to take care of any problems. It's the right thing to do. We should be completely finished in 10 days. After we get done, they have to clean it for about a week. There's a lot of cleaning to do. We got to get all this dust off. And the track staff's aware of what they need to do. That'll take about 5 days after we're done. We're going to be done Sunday. And from there, basically the following Sunday, they can start putting rubber on this, a race surface. Yeah, for just 2 days. And just kind of help them with the start of the cleanup. I've got another job in America, or actually Canada, that I have to be at on next Wednesday. Yeah, I kind of have an instruction booklet that I give them, and I go over in person how we do it. They bought a bunch of new equipment that we should have here in another month or so. That's just the latest technology in drag strip equipment, and that process is in the works right now. But the track staff have a good grasp on how to put the rubber surface on. They've already bought equipment from me in the past, and they can put the initial surface on with what they have right now. Absolutely. I mean, you've got one of the flattest racetracks in the world. I told several people here I'd bring my personal car out anytime and run this, and my car is very, very fast. I'd go down it the way it is right now.